Hey, on this video on Joe the Auto Guy YouTube channel, we're going to go over common issues with a rear park assist. So this Chevy Tahoe, the rear park assist is actually these 4 sensors. Now a lot of times what actually happens is the most common cause of the failure here is somebody will come back or you bump the bumper, and these are really kind of fragile with the connectors. If they get any real force against them, they'll crack real easy. And they are, can't really see because they are right behind the metal bumper structure. So that's kind of the main thing. Other than that, the main harness that comes from the sensors off the bumper cover to the body, a lot of times these get corroded, wrapped up. Another major concern here, or not major concern, but major issue that happens is these will actually drop, and the harness themselves will actually drop on the hot exhaust and melt the wires, and that is another issue that can happen. Other than that, like I said, the rear park assist harness will actually get like super corroded up. You can see like we have a ton of salt and corrosion built up on these connectors, and this harness will have to be replaced. It just kind of happens here and there. So that is one thing that can happen. So that is the common issues on the 2008 to 2014 Tahoes and Suburbans, Yukons, everything. You can take the bumper cover off to access the stuff or investigate or investigate the harness on this side. So there's a thing that can happen, but yeah, so hope this gives you some issues to look at for the codes I have written in the description. Just a quick video, issues that you may find up. Said I see a lot of the harnesses, somebody messed with them, and then the harness, they replace a sensor or something. The sensors are kind of just tapped in with tabs on the back of that bumper. But what I'll see is somebody messed with the harness drops on the exhaust and it melts. So that's a really common one. But other than that, usually it's another module failure. But the park assist is the blind spot monitor, has a different harness, but it kind of runs the same amount of way. Be wary of those same concerns. But blind spot monitors are in the side of the bumper if you're equipped with them, and they're expensive and they require programming. So thanks for watching. Hope this video helped you. I'll have some links in the description to kind of further help you out with that issue. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video.